Check out this 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This two-door stand-up cab has a Vortec 4.3-liter V6 engine with a 6-speed automatic electronic transmission with overdrive. You'll be able to handle almost any terrain thanks to the traction control, ABS brakes, and 4-wheel disc brakes. Your safety will also be maximized with the dual front airbags. You'll never be surprised by a flat tire thanks to the low tire pressure warning system. As for entertainment, the Chevrolet Silverado has an AM/FM radio, has about 65,000 miles on the odometer, and it still has a long life ahead of it. Come on down and try it before you buy with our free 48-hour test drive.